This video has a purpose to show how I'm going to create a Nearpod presentation, but this time using my own curriculum, not just ready-made slides and PowerPoints. So uh, let's say I have this PDF that actually is talking about what I want to teach, the Australian curriculum I want to teach. It's made out of a book, and I'm using it for certain components of this. And I have copy and paste that. The book has bought by the school, so I can cut and paste this and put them in activities, and I put my extra activities. And let's say that I want my students to do perimeter. So I have so I'm going through this. I've done some activities with perimeter. I'm going to show you later. And now I want to do something also on area. So I'm going to find an area, and I'm not going to discuss units as yet, but let's say I want them to know this formula and this example, and I'm going to discuss with them. So I'm editing, I'm taking a snapshot of this formula, and I'm going to put it on my PowerPoint, which I keep creating here. So I'm creating a slide, so just to be able to control and sort out what I want to do. So I have done all the perimeter activities I want to do, and now I'm doing the area, Control V. I'm putting that here, and I need also to save some activities, and I'm done with this. Sorry. So I'm going to save it, going very quickly because I know where I am. I want some activities ready-made. I'm not going to make my own. I need them to work with the school activities, and I want them to do these activities too. So I'm taking a snapshot. Instead of giving them the activities to do it as homework, I am adding them, and I'm going to put them on the PowerPoint here, and I will ask them to solve it. I'm going to double it. Sorry. I need to duplicate the slide. So now I'm going to give them more activities, and finally this one I'm going to save it as PDF, and again I'm saving as PDF. I save area final because I have the previous one. I will be confused. Save, and I'm doing these slides. It's publishing, and now I'm going to use this. I'm switching off the slide. I'm going to use this PDF for my Nearpod. I'm going to use this, and I know that I'm going to use some perimeter and area movies that I have done earlier. The same way I'm making this video, I have made these little movies, which don't take more than 5 minutes. So I'm going and open my Nearpod. I'm finding my presentations, and I'm going to create a new presentation with my own files. I showed you earlier how I can drag a file. Now I'm going to show you how I'm choosing my file. So I go there into my desktop, maths, perimeter, and I'm using the perimeter final, the one I saved just now, and it is uploading the same exactly way. I'm going to add some activities. I like this time to use a lot of drawing slides, because this way my students will be able to give the answers I want them to give. So this is my perimeter and area final presentation. I'm not done as yet because I want to add my slides. I have this slide here with all the links I want them to use because I can give this to them, and I can ask them to click in the link, and they can always go to the video I want them to watch. These are from the Learn Zillion lessons, and even here I'm going to use it later. I can add another slide. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So now I'm going to add, let's say, a draw it tool. Save, and I'm saving many of them. The only problem is that I have to go scroll at the end again, another one, draw, make few, and then I put them in the spot I will choose, because the only handicap is that this once it's used it is cannot be used. You lose the data and the feedback you have about the student performance. So I have made these three for the purposes of this. I can always clone it, and I can always add stuff, and I decided that I want this to be in the beginning when we do the activities. I will ask you to find some do some activities in here. So let's say I will want you to answer this, and I'll take it up there, and I want you to answer this one. I'll show you in the presentation that we can actually change the order. I can change the order the way I want. So I can have it there and the other one there. Now I want to add a video. I prefer not to use this video, although I have my videos ready, because it takes too long. I can drag my video, or I can browse my files. You will see it takes too long to do that. I can do that for you to see. So I'm adding the perimeter video there. I open it, and it is uploading the content. I prefer to upload this to YouTube and then have it ready from YouTube and link it as a website. So I can take this video and I'll put it where the perimeter is. It is how to find the perimeter video, so it has to be in the beginning, before the activities, so the students will be able to visit it when they want to. And I will try and use another website for this. So I'm going to the YouTube channel where I have these videos, and this is the previous video I made for you, and you're going to watch it, and I'm going to link this for you. And I want to use this video, so I am copying the URL, and I go back to my Nearpod, back to the Nearpod, back to the Nearpod, and I'm going to add this. Remember, everything is web-based, okay, and it saves automatically. So it is saved. Just a reminder, I uploaded my PowerPoint, which became PDF. I have already uploaded these two, and I have done this website with the area of a triangle, area of parallelograms, and I'm going to put the area formula, the area video somewhere there, and I think I lost, didn't save a nice video, so I'm going to do it again. So browse from files, I want the perimeter, open and save. I'm in a hurry to make a quick video, and I think I'll take it longer. Sorry about this. So I hope you remember this one. We have dragged it up there, but I didn't save before I go to the other one. So in the beginning of the perimeter of triangles, let's say there, and I assume that I've done it. Now I'm going to use the other activity. I'm going to insert a new slide. I can insert quizzes and polls. Usually I don't do that because I'm having the ready-made polls I'm going to demonstrate you in the class. So I'm adding a new slide. So, and I'm browsing my files. I'm going to use this one, which is ready. Find the perimeter using scale slides. Okay, I open it. This is ready-made by the Zillion, and I need to I forgot what I did because I stopped it. I need to put all this zip file I think I have to put all the slides. This is the first, it's just a new feature and I should have zipped it. Let me zip it first, and so I go here and I need to zip the file, and now I'm going back into here, browse my files, and I have to add a zipped file. Open and uploading the zipped file. I'm sorry, this is a new activity. They keep adding. It's amazing. So I'm saving it, the slide, so, and I want this to be, let's say, here, because a different way to find the perimeter is finding the perimeter with proportion. So I'll put it before perimeter problems. Okay, I'll put it here, and I can add more of these coins. And I can have more videos. So this slide should be somewhere here. Okay, let's say I made a mistake. Oh, I don't want this here, and I can delete the slide. Just press delete. Okay. Right. So I'm pretending I'm done, and I'm going to save it for the purposes of this presentation. I can always add more stuff. I can always re-edit it, so it's not finished. So I'm saving, yes, and I want you to see that everything is done properly. Just to remember, I keep forgetting, the first and the last slides should not be interactive. So this is the one I made for the purposes of this presentation. Soon it will say the word published, and I will launch it tomorrow for you.